Mmm. Alright, hey guys, welcome to our first video on the Griddle Guard YouTube channel. My name is Aaron, this is my brother David, and this is our product here. This is one of them here. This is the diamond plate cover for the Blackstone Griddle, and we also have the black version too. And they both have the wood handle, like I said, for low heat, and the handle is on the front, which gives it a much better, easier to hang up on the back with the hooks.
Yeah, I love that it's flat because this way you can use it as a serving table.
Yeah.
You can put some plates here. People are serving up food. Like, this is a great feature to have, of this flat surface, and it's, you know, it's pretty rigid and durable. So
yeah, it is.
But all right, yeah, let's get started.
All right, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the cover off, like so, and I'm gonna start up the griddle. All right, so I'm gonna throw some oil down real quick. Spread it around, spread it around. And we're also gonna cook up some extra ground beef just to meal prep a little bit, just because we got extra. Ooh, those onions smell good. I think onions are one of my favorite things to cook on the griddle. And we're looking good. They're just kind of falling apart.
You ever made these before?
I mean, a burger patties, dude. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Oh, I got some chicken too. I'm gonna try and cover it like this, I guess. Turn the heat down. And I'm also gonna throw some chicken on real quick for some meal prep. Put the ground beef over there. A little hot. Just gonna put a little bit of Lowry's on this chicken real quick. Like that. Do a few flips here. Oh, that smells good. Smells really good. Looks pretty good, guys. Nice toasted bread there. Turn the heat down a little bit. Give this chicken a few flips here. And we should be on our way. Alright, let's give the bread a little check here. A little bit longer, I think. Actually, I'm gonna call it good right now because we're gonna put it in the baking pan and let it rest a little bit, which I left inside. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So I'm gonna set that right there, and I'm just gonna put these guys in here the best I can. Probably won't fit all of them, but I'll make them fit. We'll just go like this. How about that? And those are gonna sit right there until the rest of the food's done. Alright, chicken's coming off now, guys. Chicken's coming off. Wow, this looks good. Smells pretty good too. That on there. A little bit of ground beef. And some onions. Check it out. So I'm gonna go put this inside, and then we're gonna plate up the patty melts, and we're gonna try them out. So I'm just gonna give us a quick cleaning real quick, and then I'm gonna bring the food back out and put it on a plate, put it on top of the cover for you guys, just show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, here's how our patty melts came out. Here's how they look. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a sample real quick, but I want to show you guys real quick how it looks. Alright, let's give it a sample. That's good, guys. Well, alright guys, that's gonna be it for our little video here. As I said in the beginning of the video, my brother and I do make these covers that you see here, this diamond plate cover, and we also make a black one too. So we'll put links down in the video description so you guys can check them out. And yeah, that's all I got for you for this video, so we'll see you in the next video.